Hello and welcome to our video tutorial about sceye-RACE. This movie will give you all the tips and hints to start with sceye-RACE even without reading the manual, and you will see how easy and fast it is to scan something right into an email or any other program. Because that's exactly what sceye-RACE is designed for. It is designed to scan with a simple hotkey right into any application. In such a case, we show up a small window at the right bottom corner of the screen. We show the progress and then the window disappears again. So usually sceye-RACE is invisible in the background waiting for some action. So let's make it visible to have a look at it. Two global hotkeys are connected with sceye-RACE. Ctrl-Alt-V is connected with the default profile, which will scan directly. And Ctrl-Alt-B is showing up the window with the additional menu at the left-hand side. And you are able to choose with the arrow keys or with the num keypad one of the additional profiles. On that way, you have a large number of profiles, but you can use them very quick and comfortable. At first, I want to make you familiar with the concept of profiles. A profile defines how you scan, so it includes scan settings like color mode, resolution and much more, and it defines the way to transfer the scan, maybe as an image or as a file. But it does not define the application which is receiving the scan. That is always the application which had the focus in the moment you have used one of the hotkeys. So, the following example will make this more clear. If I use the hotkey while I'm in Word, the image will be sent to Word. And if I use the hotkey while I'm in an email, the image will be sent to the email. Well, but what's about this different kind of profiles? The icons already indicate that the profiles are different, and they really are in the way how they transfer a scan to the application. The best way to show this is with an email. With profile 1, the scan is transferred to the email as an image, right into the text. Now, I'm able to write some comments about the image. Great for that. But with profile number 4, the scan is transferred to the email as a file and will appear as an attachment to the mail. But the file transfer is not only useful for emails, it is also very useful for the file system. Here we see the File Explorer with a selected folder. We scan with profile 4 and we get a TIFF file right into this folder. And with the preview window, we can have a look at it and we can check the result. The next transfer type is designed especially for users who want to upload scans to the internet. If you have to upload scans to the web, by example if you're using Google Docs, you will love this function. What we do here is, by example with profile 7, and you see the symbol is already indicating the web, we don't transfer a file, we just transfer a link to the file. So let's check this out. Let's open a dialog to insert an image. Here you will be asked for the path, but we just use the hotkey Ctrl-Alt-B to call sceye-RACE, and we choose profile number 7. And now, the path to a temporary file is inserted into the dialog. Yeah, and we just press the upload button and the file is transferred to the web and it appears here in Google Docs. So, each of these profiles which we already saw can be configured individually. You will find this option in the context menu for each profile. The preview window will now show up the menu which is also used in our other applications, and you have all the options of Sceye. I'm not going into details about that. It's already described in the video tutorial of the Sceye Explorer, so have a look at this. But basically each profile has a profile name, which you can choose for your own. It has scan settings, which are collected and shown in a text description. And finally the profile type, and we already have seen 3 of these profile types. We have seen the transfer as a bitmap, as a file, and as a file link, and we can send it also to a printer or to an external application. Finally, the hint that any profile, even the first one, the default profile, can be configured individually, and even the hotkeys can be changed. These settings are just an initial starting point. Please change the profiles to fit to your personal needs. So I hope this video tutorial is a good introduction how to use sceye-RACE and Well, I wish you a lot of fun with Sceye.